tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually upload a document to your Google Drive. Yours is going to look a lot different than mine. Okay, I have a lot of files in here. Yours is probably going to be pretty well empty at this point, but that's good because it's easier to work with something that's empty. So the first thing you probably want to do is create a new folder inside of your drive. And again, I'm on a Mac, so some of these might appear a little bit different, but they're pretty similar to the PC. So to create a new folder, just to try to keep things organized, we've got the big red New button up here. If I click the New button, I can either create new documents here, a Google Doc, which for all intents and purposes is Microsoft Word, a watered-down version of Word. Sheets is a watered-down version of Excel, and Slides is a watered-down version of PowerPoint. So back to what I wanted to do here, create a new folder. I'll click on that folder, and this new folder I'm just going to call my Google Doc stuff and create. And now you'll see I have my new folder popped in here, my Google Doc stuff. If I double click it, it's empty. There's nothing in there. So when you share some documents on Google Docs or Google Drive, you're going to have to upload those files from your computer to the cloud. So to do that, if I would just simply click New, File, Upload, and I have a test page that I just made here on the desktop here, testing 1, 2, 3. So this is the one I want to share, get it off of my computer into the cloud. I'll just double click it, and then it's going to load up here. So now you can see that testing 1, 2, 3 docs is in my folder right here called My Google Doc Stuff. So if I just go back to my regular drive here, we see I have my folder, where'd it go here? My Google Doc Stuff right here, okay? And with my Google Doc Stuff, I'm just going to change the color of this. We'll make it green, just so it's easier to see when I'm trying to go back and forth here for this lesson. You can color code them however you want. Again, how I did that, I just simply right-clicked on the folder. I went to change color, and you pick whatever color that you like. Now let's say, for instance, I accidentally saved and uploaded that file into my general drive, and I didn't put it into a specific folder. Well, there's no worries with that, because all you need to do is, this is a little sample quiz that I made here. If I accidentally saved it in the drive area, I can just click and drag that up and drop it into my Google Doc Stuff folder. Now notice it's gone from here, and it is now, when I double click on my green folder here, here it is, my Computerlit quiz is up here. Well, how do we view these files that are in here? So for instance, you're going to send me a lesson plan via Google Docs, and we're going to do some cool stuff with WebQuest on Google Docs. To view those, it's as simple as this. I just double click on the file, and it's going to show me a quick snapshot of that file. Okay, I can't type on this. It's a Word file, but I can't type it because right now it's giving me, I guess what we call it, a thumbnail. So now what I need to do is click this download button right here, and that's going to actually download that file to my computer. And then once it downloads, again, I'm on a Mac, so it looks a little different than yours. Once it downloads, it's going to open up in Microsoft Word, and you can alter the text just like you normally would. Then you could save it. All right, so I got a new one, two. The file is called testing 1, 2, 3. So I saved it. I'll close it. Close this one. That was my original. I'll hit the escape key to get rid of this guy here, or I could just X out. Yeah, I just like the escape key. So I might want to replace this now that I have a new folder, a new version, because I changed the title, right? So let's go to New, File, Upload. Okay. We'll find that testing 1, 2, 3 once again. We'll upload it. Testing 1, 2, 3 has been uploaded. Okay. Close out. Close this little folder here. You know what it did here? It gave me a second version. So it's the latest version you'll see here with the latest timestamp on it. So I know this original one I can just go ahead and get rid of. So we'll go to I right-clicked on it, go to Remove. Now if I double-click this one and open it up, oh, it's making a liar out of me. Look at that. I got to refresh it because it showed me the old version. Okay. So again, if you want to upload any kind of file, real simple. You click New, File, Upload. Pick whatever file you're trying to upload. I'll upload this little picture here of the Google Drive logo. Double click. Uploads it to Google Drive. If I double click it to open it, here it is. So Google Drive, very simple to use. Everything is controlled basically off of your new button here. If I go back into my drive, it'll show me all of my folders and all of my documents that I can peruse through. If you want to delete any of these, very simple. I don't really need this roster anymore, so I'll click this roster. Click on the trash can. It goes away. And I think all of this stuff is in my trash can right now. I'm going to empty out my trash can by simply, maybe not, right click on the trash can. Oh, they changed it. I'm going to have to come back to that one because I can't pause my video here. But to delete them, I'm sure it's very simple. There we go, empty trash. I just click on my trash icon up here. Empty the trash, yes, that's fine, empty the trash. And it all goes away. Go back to my drive, and I can see all of my files. Very, very simple stuff. No worries at all.